Attention, Earth defenders! The sky is falling! A massive alien invasion has zoomed into our atmosphere. The aliens are looking to turn our planet into their new playground. Who is the only thing standing between us and a total alien takeover? That's right, it's you! But don't worry, you won't be using some boring, dusty old controller. You are going to be piloting a squad of elite robot warriors using the super cool command sphere. Here's the catch. These aliens are tricky. They are constantly mutating and changing colors. You're going to face wave after wave of color-coded chaos, and your survival depends on your lightning-fast reflexes. You have to rotate the control ball to instantly send out the right robot for the job. Do you see red aliens zooming in? Spin to red. Blue aliens? Spin to blue. It's a fast-paced test of wits and fingers. It's like a puzzle you solve with robots and wacky retro-style projectiles. We didn't want regular buttons. We wanted something special. We call it the spin. By letting you interact directly with the ball, rotating it with your finger, we've created a feeling that is totally unique. Now, saving the world is awesome, but proving you're better than your friends? That's even better. We've built 6 different leaderboards into the game. It's time to climb the ranks and claim your throne as the #1 defender. Take that, best friend. Never played before? No problem. We made sure there is zero confusion. Beginner players, get ready for a lightning-fast onboarding session. We'll show you the ropes with some cool drawings. A robot voice will help with a handy explainer.
Rotate the ball inside the robot with your right thumb to match the robot's color to the aliens. Use your left thumb to fire.
So, what are you waiting for? The sky is falling and the world needs a hero. Jump in, power up, and get spinning.